Okay, next chapter. Don't know if you can see all this. Yeah, so the old rear pocket bin. Well, I mullered it to take it out. So that's got 40 quid new, so that's 80 quid a pair. I'm going to fuck the other side up. So I'm going to give them a go, spend a few hours trying to repair them and see how we go. If it really annoys me, we're going to have to buy some new ones. But as soon as they're an item that you don't really see too much in the back there, as long as you get them half straight and half right, I think they'll be fine. So might as well spend a few hours trying to fix them. So I'm going to try and fix that and repair that. And also might as well finish off the inside now, is put this box section in, but what I've decided to do is put it into 2 goes. So instead of removing the other side and making the other side weak at all, seeing as there's really not much strength in this middle bit anyway, I'm going to slice across and then trim the other inside up and just weld one side in and weld this side in. So I'm not going to get my spot welder in there, so I'm going to have to drill some holes down here so I can be able to plug weld it later. But I need to do that and clean that up and get that ready. But first off, we need a bit of a tidy up first. So let's do a bit of a tidy up. Okay, after a bit of cleaning up, just going to blow this floor out a bit, clean the floor out and see what I'm doing. Throw all the bits of metal over to the other side of the garage or the other side of the car, which I can do next time. So, just get the airline, just get the blow out, so I can see him doing it. Okay, let the compressor finish. Luckily the wife's not in, so she don't need a compressor, which is always good. So I've already noticed it's been welded a little bit already around the old handbrake cable lever bracket. That always goes, I think. Obviously people around you might have noticed that I'm just finished plug welding the front, which I need to do. Need to get the dolly under that and get that a bit closer together. But I've got some plug welds along the bottom, so that's alright for the moment. So yeah, let's cut this, get that roughly in the right place, and let's do a bit of this trimming up before I have to go put tea on, which is sausages. Sausages tonight. Good old sausages. Alright, let's get on with this. Okay, got that fitting fairly well. Nice and snug. Don't think I have to do much repair work. But what I'm going to just do now is, because I said I can't get the spot welder in, I'm going to mark some holes where I'm going to drill for the plug welding. Do that now because I've done it many a time where I've just drilled along here. When it's off, I just drill loads of holes. When I go put it on, obviously one of the holes is over the caps, which is just stupid, but that's what I've done before. So learning from mostly my mistakes, I'm going to mark along here, and then so I know where to drill the spot welds hopefully, and then that can be nearly ready to be plugged in once I'm happy with it. Okay, ping dinners today, pasta, just in case, next day. So I just put a bit of etch primer on the inside of that, a bit of rust remover as well, cure rust type stuff, just to get rid of any of the bits of rust, just to make it, hopefully stop it rusting a bit more in the future. Grab as much as away as I could. So I'm just going to roughly get this lined up, and I'm going to mark the holes with a pencil, just so I can grind away just the little spots, just so I can have no paint just when I do the plug welding, so hopefully it'll make quite a nice weld. Well, that's the idea anyway. So I do that. So yeah, I might put a straight edge from there across to try and line it up. Okay, that's got that plug welded in. Not got much time tonight. I've got to go put the jacket potatoes on. Well, they're already on. Got the door pocket still to repair yet. That's plug welded in. Bit of etch primer just on it to stop it going rusty. Clean it all off later. Etch primer all, primer it. Thinking of painting it all black because it should be. And then I'm going to put some sand deadening back in, or the Dynamat type stuff. So, but we'll do that later once the other side's done. But this side's nearly getting solid now. Still just got to the front of the floor. But yeah, cool. Okay, still got a few more minutes tonight. So what I thought I'd just do is try and clear some of the bulkhead, take the hinges off, because I'm going to clean them up, paint them, and then I was thinking before I put the scuttle panel back on, I'm just going to clean all this up, get some etch primer on it, and maybe just get a bit of rattle can gloss black just up in the top there, just because it's going to be hard to get to when I'm actually painting it with the scuttle panel on everything and even the front end on. And so at least it's got a bit of black up there anyway, even though no one sees it, but at least I know. And it gets me to paint something.